4 months ago, nobody knew what I was building. Last week, over 1900 people from around the world were inside my lab actually practicing. Chief Information Security officers started messaging me. Founders started asking me how I did it. And I got invited to speak in a webinar on how to build a GRC program from scratch, all from a free project. Let me tell you what really happened. If you are new here, I am John. This is GRC Made Simple. After spending 10 years in HR and recruitment, I transitioned into cybersecurity GRC, and along the journey, I built something called the GRC Practice Lab, a completely free hands-on platform where you don't just study GRC but actually practice it. No sign up, no installation, just open the lab and start working. So why I built it? Here is the problem. GRC learning today is mostly theory. You study ISO, you pass the certificate, but nobody teaches you how risk becomes control and how controls becomes evidence and how actually audit runs. So people end up getting certified and still get lost. I was that person. When I tried to practice myself, wherever I went, I saw the same thing: signups, installations, subscriptions, and enterprise plan. Nothing simple, nothing beginner friendly. And that's when it hit me. Beginners had nowhere to actually practice GRC, so I started building. I wanted a safe place to experiment, to break things, to retest, and to try again. No signups, no installation, a single HTML file that runs locally so your data never leaves your browser. And over 4 months, I wrote 12,000 lines of code, late nights, rewrites, and complete rebuilds. Not because it was easy, but because people needed this. And while I was building, I started speaking to Chief Information Security officers and GRC managers. Over time, I connected with 50 senior leaders in the industry, and I asked them two simple questions. How does GRC actually work day to day? And where do beginners struggle the most? As I learned from them, I refined the lab, I adjusted the workflows, improved logic, and completely redefined sections. So what you see today right now isn't a personal project. It's built on real practitioners' input and real enterprise workflows. When someone opens the lab today, they're not playing with demos. They're actually seeing how GRC runs inside companies. What happened after launch? Last Friday, I launched it, and honestly, I didn't expect much. But today, the lab has 1900 plus active users, 22,000 page views, 45,000 real interactions, and the average session is more than 5 minutes. That tells me something very important. People aren't just scrolling, they are clicking risk, controls, frameworks, projects, dashboard. They are actually following real GRC flow. Over 90 people reposted my lab in LinkedIn, and then comments started coming in. These weren't random comments. These were from Chief Information Security officers, managers, and GRC practitioners. One practitioner wrote, I actually went through the lab and this is incredible. What I liked most is that it feels real. You're not just reading frameworks or definitions, you're actually working through GRC flows in practice, from risk to controls to audits. A senior professional said it's rare to find a tool that actually let people practice real workflows instead of just reading about them. This is exactly what someone new to GRC needs to bridge the gap between theory and actually doing the job. Another GRC leader wrote, building something this comprehensive from scratch and then giving it away for free is a masterpiece in community leadership. And finally, a mentor simply said, game changer. That's when it stopped feeling like my project, because people weren't reacting to a tool, They were reacting to finally having a place to practice. What happened next? I did something crazy. I read every comment, every DM, worked through the weekend and shipped version 2 immediately. I added audit simulators, evidence control, ISO 42001 frameworks, ITGC, SOC and many more, but still free. Built directly from community inputs. What's next? Right now, I'm working on a lab update that honestly I haven't seen anyone do in the GRC. Not courses, not tools, something genuinely new. So stay tuned for the next version of GRC Practice Lab. I just want to say this very clearly. Thank you. Thank you to everyone who tried the lab, shared it, left feedback, encouraged me. You proved something very important. GRC can be learned by doing. So if you're watching this and haven't tried the lab, go try it. The link is in the description, and if you have used it, share what you have learned, post projects. Your learning might help someone start their first step in GRC. Let's make GRC practical together. If this video helped you, hit like, subscribe and leave a comment. See you until the next one. Thank you for watching.